My name is Scott Smith. I'm a real estate developer in Knoxville, Tennessee. We are currently in our second phase of the Glen at West Valley, residential single-family development. We've got about 65 lots in each phase. We'll be between 120 and 150 lots total. In this case, we are also the builder, and so what I do, buy the land. We hire typically the grading contractor that moves the mass dirt, and my crew, which we've had for about 20 years, we do pipe work. We do sewer lines, water lines, electrical conduit, storm drainage, anything with a pipe. All we've done for the last 20 to 30 years is land development. So we not only are building houses, building the subdivisions, but we're used to doing this, and it's all we've done. So we feel like we can provide a little expertise in that area. We do in-service lines, so we went to the 57. It's just fast. It's got a narrow bucket. When we have to backfill with stone, we don't spend a ton of money on stone. We got a narrow bucket, we got a strong machine, and it just allows us to go a lot quicker. We're in East Tennessee, and so we have a thin layer of topsoil, which we typically strip, and what we like to build on is compactable red clay. You can see as these machines, this will be the road, as they run over this area, it becomes very compact. Not quite as hard as concrete, but pretty hard. And so I was explaining that 57 digs through this, and we come back to put service lines in very well. But typically it's a very hard surface. The only machines we've bought, really we bought from these guys at contractors, were CASE machines. And we've been really happy with them. The service they provided was excellent. If we have a problem, they bring us a machine, they get us taken care of. And the guys that work on my crew, they're really the ones that want to use CASE equipment. You know, I would say just being responsive. You know, we can't afford to have somebody that doesn't pay attention to us after we buy something, and I've been happy with them.